There she is. 89 Dodge Daytona. Chrysler Daytona. Shelby. Busted a ride hose. Wasn't us.
No, I busted on pulling it out of the friggin' dirt.
Yep.
At least it's only a hose.
All 4 tires are flat. $600 sitting right there. And $100 total.
See what she's worth when we finish her up. Get her restored.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Now, do we restore the stock or do we restore the love and enjoy?
I don't know, do you want it to go back to classic or do you want it to be original? What would we prefer? What would everybody else prefer? That is a question.
Yeah.
What do we want to see? We're gonna be the ones driving it.
Yep. So it's got the tilt lights. That doesn't work. It's got a front lights. That don't work. It's got reverse lights. That don't work. Nothing works in a car right now because the battery's dead.
And you can't start it right now either.
Yeah, you can't start it. There is a nest of something in there. But $600. T-top, which I have not seen many of. Digital dash, which I have not seen many of. The rear cargo divider, what do you call that thing?
Privacy cover?
Privacy cover, it's in the back. A full list of...
Or streets of garbage in Pembroke.
Yep. I just had the same one again.
Yep.
A whole list that the previous owner printed out about the whole car.
It's got some good bounce to it. It might need some shocks. Ooh.
Look at her bounce.
She's not liking these streets very much right now.
No.
No, their current suspension. So we're gonna add that to the list of work to do on this beast.
Oof, I don't want to hit that. What's a fun part about it, it's a K-frame. We can take parts off of the old school Dodge Caravan, the Dodge Aries, so K cars, so K vehicles.
Somebody wants to donate us, you know, a couple caravans and K cars for parts cars. Be great right about now.
Yep. So, what are we gonna do?
Give up Subi's space in the garage for this?
For the next couple of months.
Yeah, probably years.
Before winter, Subi's gonna go back in the garage during the winter, Jen. You know that.
Oh yeah.
First thing we get her home is I gotta take that battery out and put it on the charge.
See if it will charge?
Yep. Just to see if we're gonna have any juice. That's step 1. Step 2, jack it up in the air, get some blocks or something underneath.
Yeah, because sitting on its rims is not good for the frame.
No. What we could do is see if my Motegis fit on it. The black and red rims.
Yep.
We'll see if that fits.
I mean, right now the car is on stock 16s and the Motegas are 15s, but if the 15s are meatier than the 16s, it should work.
Yep.
All it really matters is the hub and bore pattern are relatively the same and they fit.
5x114 or 5x100.
Yeah, for the Motegis, but it goes down to the bore hub.
Yeah.
But if it's only sitting on them and not driving, it should be okay.
Oh,
ouch.
look at her bounce.
I'm feeling those.
And the worst part is, it's not even that bouncy for us.
I don't know, wait till you see this camera view, because it's pretty all over the place.
That's alright.
Then again, I'm driving on this crappy side of the road and you're on the smooth side.
I'm sorry. I can drive on the opposite lane if you'd like.
Just drive in the middle. Make everybody else move. Or, you know what? It is Pembroke. We can drive on the grass. It's probably smoother.
Yep. I would have turned here, but I'm going to follow the car, so.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll give you an update as we get closer to the house.